YouTube, welcome back to this one. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Twitter for affiliate marketing step by step. So this is gonna be an in-depth tutorial. It's gonna be a long video more than usual because I'm gonna be taking you step by step through what you need to know to succeed on Twitter as an affiliate with an affiliate account. So it's gonna be a longer video, and it may take long because I have to explain everything in detail. And if you don't watch the whole video the way through to the end, then that won't work for you. So I would advise that you watch the whole video all the way through to the end, because this is going to be a unique strategy. I'm going to talk about things that you have never heard of. I'm going to show you how to automate everything, and I'm going to be taking you guys through step by step on how to do Twitter affiliate marketing in 2021. So the first thing you need to do is you need to head over to twitter.com and create a free account. So you need to create a free account, and this account needs to be a niche account depending on the product that you want to promote. So if you don't have an idea of what products you want to promote, you can head over to clickbank.com, and if you can't access clickbank.com, you can head over to digistore24, and if you can't access digistore24, then I don't know what you're doing in this world. So that is, if you can't access any of those networks, then you need to find a whole new way to make money online if you can't do affiliate marketing. So once again, if you need to find a niche, so we're gonna go for the self-help niche and all the motivational side of things. So we're gonna be promoting a motivational type offer. So this is an offer that's meant to help people get their minds right, achieve goals, that sort of stuff. So we're gonna be getting people from Twitter and sending them over to our landing page, and on our landing page we're going to be collecting their emails, putting them onto our email list, and on our email list we're going to be able to monetize these people by sending them more and more value in the back end, and I will show you in this video. So the timestamps are going to be posted for this very video in the description, so you can skip specific sections of the video in case you already know something or you want to get to something that you may find interesting to you. So the very first step is you have created your account, a niche account. The second step is to set up your bio. So I've used a specific account which is in the motivational niche. So you can see that you need to have the art part of your name. So this is a Freaky Theory. That's their art. So when you go here to search Twitter and you search Freaky Theory, that's this account will show up. So you need to create your own art. Don't leave it with those random numbers which Twitter always gives you. So you need to create that art and make it unique to your account. Make sure it's niche related, and it's something that captures people's attention, and it can't be easily forgotten. So that's step one. Then step two of setting up your bio is you need to add keywords in your bio. So this is something that people always skip, and they don't do. So you need to add keywords. So for example, you can add keywords in your bio which are self-help, positivity, motivation, something that relates to this niche. You can add it in the bio of your Twitter account. So if you don't know how to get those keywords, you can head over to Google and search for synonyms related to motivation. You'll find them, then add them into your bio. So when somebody searches for positivity, your account will show up. When somebody searches for self-help, your account will show up. So that's how you optimize your account for Twitter search. So that's something that people don't always talk about, but it's something that's really important, and I want you guys to take note of that. So the other thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and create a landing page and paste that link to the landing page in your bio. So that's something you need to do from the start of your account. So to create the landing page, I'm gonna leave my affiliate link to Convertkit, where you can sign up for a free account and get up to 1,000 subscribers for free without having to pay a single coin. So I've gone ahead and created a landing page depending on the product you want to promote. So this is the Hudson landing page template. So you find that in Convertkit, and it's one of my best converting landing pages that I use for most of my email building campaign. So it's called the Hudson template, and I'll leave a link to my blog on how you can start to use Convertkit. So it will be that as well in the description of this very video. So you want to create a landing page similar to this, so you can preview it here, and you can see this is how the landing page will look like. The landing page you're gonna be putting in your bio. So I've gone ahead and also created a free account for this, specifically for this video. So when you have a free account, there will be this sticker down here that says built with Convertkit. So I've created a free account as well so that you guys can see how this is done. So what you need to do is to head over to here where it says settings, click on settings, and you want to head over to where it says incentive email. So when somebody enters an email address, we want to send them an email, sorry, so that they confirm that they are added onto our email list. So here you go ahead and talk about yourself, so you can tell them, hey, this is my name, I'm the one who runs this account, and on this account I share this. Tell them about yourself, your business, and that sort of stuff, so that people know who you are. So ensure that they confirm their email. You can even give them something for free. This can be a cheat sheet, whatever you have to offer for free. You don't even need to have that. You can just link straight here to your affiliate link, so that when they confirm their email, you take them to the sales page of a product that you want to promote. So for this example, I went ahead and searched for Motivate on ClickBank, and I found this so-called software that helps people to set goals. And you can see it says goal setting and goal management software. So it helps people set goals and all that weird stuff. So this can be something that you can promote, and it pays out $131 on average. So that means for people who use it, I don't know how well this converts. So the gravity on this is 4, and I'm sure these people are making sales, but you can promote this on Twitter and get sales. So once again, you can go back and edit the landing page and change out the affiliate links to redirect them to another offer. That's something you can do over time. So if the offer is not converting, then change up the affiliate link and redirect it to another offer. So that's something you need to keep in mind. So once you've created your incentive email, the next thing you need to do is to head over to where it says domain name. Here where it says domain name, you need to create a custom domain. So this can be your name or the name of your Twitter. So for this case, you can, if your Twitter account is motivational freak, you can go ahead and say motivational freak .ck.page. So this will mean that Convertkit gives you a custom domain that you can have on your Convertkit account. So this will be the same domain for all your landing pages, but it will just change the last part, which can be numbers and letters. So this will, you need to set this up, and once you set it up, you can't change it. So that's something to keep in mind. So let's save that. So once again, once you're done customizing all this, you can add a link to your thank you page. But for this case, what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to the settings back and click on general here. So when somebody enters an email, we want to redirect them to an external page. So you will need so let me just put this link for example. So when somebody enters their email, we're going to redirect them to this referral link. So that's what it means. So we're gonna head and save that, then head over to share, grab this link. This is the link you're gonna be putting in your Twitter bio right here. So for this account, it doesn't have a link in their bio, so you can go ahead and see. Let me show you. So when you head over to profile here, let me head over to profile. So you can see my website name is over here, Lamech.com. So you can go ahead and edit profile, hit edit profile, and you can see that you can add a website URL. Then just go ahead and paste the website URL over here. So that's something you can do, simple. Then click save, so it will automatically save the URL to your profile. So that's it for this stage. Then the next thing you need to do is to head over to your Twitter account. Then we need to start posting. So That's the first thing you need to create a lot of content. So if you look at this account here, I think it has over, let's see how many tweets they have. I think they're over 1,000. I saw them somewhere. So what you need to do is you need to start posting tweets, as many of them as you can. So that is the most important thing you need to do. You need to have a lot of content out there. So I'm going to show you where to get the content for free without even wasting a single bit of a second trying to think about. So you need to head over to Instagram and search for those accounts that are in your niche. So you can see this account has over 5,819 posts. So this account has been active for over 5,000 times. So that means it has been posting a lot of times. So all these posts here, we're going to be repurposing all these posts here, and you can see they're getting nice engagement on their account. It could be better for an account with 1.2 million followers. It could be better. So what you need to do is you need to just go ahead. You can click on this post, and you can see you can't pour out an empty cup. This is the same thing you're gonna just tweet on your account. So what you need to do is to head over to Canva and create a tweet, a tweet video, or a tweet, just a simple tweet. You can use an image. You can even just download these and repurpose them over on Twitter. So you need to just head over here and click on where it says tweet here, and just start typing. It's that simple. So I need to take this out. Then you just type in your tweet here, then you click on tweet, and it's done. It's out there. So how do you get followers? This is the most important thing. You can tweet as many times as you want, but if you don't have followers, people are not gonna engage with your content. So how do you do that? Simple. You head over to accounts that are similar in your niche, and once you are in those accounts, you will need to engage with their most recent tweet. So let me show you what I mean. So for this example, you can see that you need to look for tweets that are relevant to your. So okay, so for this one, so this is from stay away from negative people. So you need to ensure that whenever this account posts, you want to make sure you are among the first people to head on there and do your commenting and to retweeting and all that sort of stuff. So let me show you what to do. So when you head over, you can see that it has had over 20 quote tweets, and the likes are going up each and every time. So what you need to do is this is a very very good example of what you should do if you want to get followers and a lot of people engaging on your comments on this huge account. So you can see Upskill Your Life is doing a very good job. So you can see is building on the topic that this huge account is talking about. So he's talking about staying away from negative people. So here he goes on and elaborates how to distance yourself from negativity. So in case you are in the health niche, so and somebody tweets how to lose weight, then he gives some few points. Then he choose out pick out a main topic or a main point in that very tweet, then elaborate on that, give more value to these people, so that these people who come into the comment section, they will see your tweet and they like it, and most people will click on your profile like so and head over to your profile, and once they like your profile, they will hit the follow button. It's that simple, and you're doing this as many times as possible. So how often should you do this? So you will need to tweet at least 5 times a day. I know that's gonna be a lot of times, but I'm gonna show you how to schedule that. So you need to tweet 5 times a day, and to tweet 5 times a day, you're gonna be using a software called TweetDeck. It's free. It's 100% free. All you need to do is to head over to Google and search for TweetDeck. Connect your Twitter account with it. I think it automatically connects you with your Twitter account, since it is there. It's Twitter's scheduler. I think it's Twitter's scheduler. Then you need to click on scheduled here, and then you will need to schedule a post. So you can go ahead and schedule as many tweets as possible each and every day. Schedule 6 to, if you can schedule up to 7 tweets a day, that will give you more and more chances of getting discovered on Twitter. That is how you scale up without even posting manually. So you just need to create over all these tweets over the weekend or when you're free, and schedule them for the whole week, so that they are going out on autopilot. You don't need to do anything yourself. This will automatically schedule them to your Twitter account. That easy. So the next thing you need to do is you need to comment on these huge accounts. Let's go back here. You need to comment on these huge accounts 10 times a day. So that's gonna be where you need to do some manual work, because this is where you're gonna be getting the followers. You need to comment, you need to give people value on these tweets, and you need to elaborate like exactly how this person is doing right here. So that's how you elaborate and build on this. So that is one way you're gonna grow fast. So these are the best practices. Number one was to post 5 times a day or tweet 5 times a day using TweetDeck to schedule your tweets. Number two was to comment 10 times a day on these huge accounts. So if you do that, you're gonna start seeing followers coming in naturally. And if you can comment more than 10 times, the growth is gonna be exponentially. So go ahead and do that. So you need to follow people that are engaging on your tweet. So let's say somebody liked this tweet, then if I'm this person here, I'll come and follow all these people who liked my tweet, because these people have shown interest in what I have to offer, and these are the active followers of this very account here that we found over here, which is the motivation one. These are the active followers, because others may, well, out of the 3 million people here, not all of these people are still on Twitter. Some of them may have even uninstalled the app, others may have lost their passwords, others may have even died. So you need to be focusing on active followers. So that is something to keep in mind. You need to follow those who like your tweets. Follow them back. Show them that you are a human being. You are someone behind that account. So follow them, engage with them. Don't be spamming in any way. Be friendly as possible. Once you're friendly, people will be more likely to head over to your bio, click your link, enter their email address, then head over to your affiliate product. That is just how simple you do this stuff. Then another thing you need to do is you need to message new followers. Message them, send them a simple message. Hey, my name is motivation expert, whatever your name is. Send them that message. Tell them if they have any questions, issues, whatever, they can feel free to message you back. That is building relationship with these new followers. So that is one way you can build a relationship with your followers, and they'll be more likely to click your link, head over to the landing page, give you their email. Since they already trust you, you have messaged them, you have had a conversation with them, then when you do a promotional tweet on your feed, they'll be more likely to check it out, because they already trust you. You have messaged them. You're not some stranger coming out of nowhere asking them to buy weird stuff. So that is one thing you should keep in mind. Message people, new followers. Whenever somebody follows you, head over to notifications, click on their profile, message them. It's that simple. Then as I sum up this video, I'm gonna summarize everything in detail. We are creating Twitter accounts, niche Twitter accounts. Then we are going ahead setting up our bio, putting landing pages, a landing page link in our bio with that links to an affiliate product. Then we are posting as many times as possible, which is 5 times. Then we are commenting on these huge accounts in our niche for up to 10 times a day or more. If you can do 10 times, that's fine. If you can do more, that's better. Then you need to engage with those people who like your tweets on these huge accounts. Then follow them, message them, and engage with them at the most you can. So that is it for Twitter affiliate marketing. I hope you like this video. If you made it this far, and I know most people have already jumped off by the time this video reaches here. So that was it for this video. Don't forget to leave your questions in the comment section below. I'll be answering each and every single one of them. So that is it. Take care, and I'll see you